Yo, what's goody? My name is Brandon, and I've been documenting my journey becoming a clothing designer. Welcome back. Hope you guys liked the first video. That's been my experience with working with my manufacturer in Los Angeles. In this second video you're going to be watching, I'm going to be returning back to him and I'm going to be giving him the pants. I took the samples that he gave me from the first video. I did some marking where I wanted my darts placed and some alterations and stuff, just marking on the pants to get back to him. So that way they can make the final pair correctly. Again, this is my experience. I don't have anybody that I could go to ask questions about the whole experience. Like, I don't know if the experience is supposed to go the way it's going, if it's supposed to be different. I have heard how complicated it is working with manufacturers. So for me, again, my first time working with the manufacturer in person in Los Angeles, I'm kind of getting the feeling that this is kind of how it is. But there's a point where I'm starting to feel like I don't feel like it should be this complicated though. Especially with the communication, the way he's communicating with me regarding just everything. I feel like the communication could have been a lot better, and if the communication was a lot smoother between us, I feel like we probably could have continued to work together. But yeah, I feel like that's one of the things that's very important when it comes to looking for a manufacturer is their ability to communicate with you what it is they're trying to do and what they can't do and how you can help them. You need to also be available to help them in any way you can as well. And again, if you watched the first video, I've told him this multiple times. If you ever need me to come in, because I didn't live that far from him, I can come in, we can sit down and talk and we can discuss, and that way we can come up with a more efficient sample design compared to you giving me something that doesn't work, me saying this is wrong, you having to take it back and redo it. So I was trying to avoid that, but you have to understand that as well, that sometimes manufacturers don't want you, I guess, in that part of the process because they feel like they're being micromanaged. I don't know. I kind of feel like that was the process. That was his mentality, because it's like, I'm here, I can help. So why not just call me in to help make your job easier? But everybody works differently. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I guess we'll just get started with this next video. Other original reference.
Confusing. Not confusing, but it's too much. That's the jacket.
This is the large.
Yeah. Fold the jacket. And that's the
box.
Oh yeah, with the pen.
I'm gonna try right now. Did you make these bigger than these?
Yeah, much bigger.
They still don't close.
Wow. It is bigger.
I haven't got any bigger. It's the same thing as the first one. Like I couldn't close them.
Wow, I don't know what to say. These are, I believe, we get a measuring tape. Yeah, these were 32 and we made it 36. I told us it was 36, that's what we did. And these are 31, 32. Yeah, we didn't make it bigger. 34, 35. We didn't make it bigger.
You did?
Yeah, I can see it.
But it was supposed to be a 36, right? And the collar on this jacket was different, remember? Even on your sketches.
What do you mean? It's the same color as this, right?
Yeah, same color, but remember I told you it was a different collar. Even from the sketches you drew, the collar was different. Remember it was supposed to be like the chino color you said.
Oh, you wanted the chino color?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just followed this. I don't remember. I thought we were changing only the pockets.
Nah, it was the pockets, there was the detailing from the denim jacket with the stitching, it was the collar. The zipper was supposed to be bigger, oversized.
Yeah, there is no zipper, there's a bit oversized. We even contacted Korea, it's not in stock, we have to custom make it, and they won't do it.
And you said this is made off of this jacket too, like the sizing?
Yeah, remember, same jacket, we changed it because of the lining, it got smaller.
Mm-hmm.
So we went back to the same size because of the lining, make it small, and that's what we did. At first, we went off this, you said it's just too small, so we went
I never said
two
that
size. No, you did. I haven't noticed. You said the two sides went down, and you said no, that wasn't fine. I didn't want to argue, so we went to this size, and we put the lining, which make it smaller.
Mm-hmm.
So because of lining, went back to the same size, right? And that's what we did. And I do remember about the zipper size. And the zipper, we contacted Korea, says they're not gonna do custom.
But
Unless-
you never told me, and you charged me for the zipper and stuff though.
No, I didn't. I never charge you. Look at the invoice. If I charge you for the zipper, it was gonna be a lot more.
Mm.
I'm not gonna charge you something that we cannot do. Simple.
Okay.
So this one, what we're changing is the pocket, because the pocket was in the front. So you wanted on the side, so we went back there.
Yeah, the
made
pocket
a
is perfect.
pocket. And zipper we cannot do, but this one is easy. I can just cut it and put it in and put a stitch on it. It's not a big deal. I do remember we gotta do a chino color. I got it. We can fix that. Because of lining, it's, we want to go back to size, and that's what we did. But still small?
the jacket, the new one, right?
There's a new jacket.
These are the new pants.
No, this is new one.
And you said these are 35 and they were supposed to be 36.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, I can do another one.
and you said this is a large, right?
Yeah, large.
Yes, I said, I guess let me know when the pants are done.
Yeah, I'll get it done sometime next week.
And with the new ones, is there a way, instead of it being dead center, can it be more aligned with both sides? Because I don't know if you can kind of tell how it like messes with the shape. So you see how this comes across here? And all my cinches were here, like on the seam. Like even the front, this one too, this in the front of the pants instead of the side.
So you want it to go, see, it's the same thing.
But no, you see this is the front. I need it here on the side,
Okay.
like on the inside of the pants, instead of more on the front. This is the front.
Right, that's like a changing your whole pattern again.
Do you think so? If it's just a cinch?
Yeah.
If it's just a cinch here.
Because
like that?
this is not straight, this is curving through the whole body, it's wrapping around, it's a different pattern. That's why we have struggled so many times trying to get this right. That's why we, even though we make 36, it's not straight. You see, it's curves, like this. So it's not the same concept pattern, it's totally different. That's why my pattern makers keep making a mistake. It's not straight, it's wrapping
Curved.
around.
Yeah.
So it's so hard to get the right spec. Like I told you, I spent $2,000 before, I spent another $300. I'm not gonna spend another $300 on it. It's not your fault. I quoted it wrong, and I keep spending money on it. It's just killing me. But it is what it is. Okay, so to do that, to move it, you have to create a whole new pattern. It's a different pattern. It's not easy. If it's a straight, it's easy, but it's not straight. It's wrapping around. So middle of someplace, you put the notch on there, it doesn't come out. So, yeah, it is what it is, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, if we could do a 36, that would be perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we did it with what's available.
All right, yeah, so I guess if these we can shoot, I guess instead for a 37 just to be safe. Because you said this is a 35, it didn't fit, so just let's shoot for a 37 in the waist.
No, we got a 36, that's a 36. Now I'm sure she has more, as she does it, repeating, I'm sure she's getting better, have a better idea. So just shoot for this, do we need 36, we'll make it 36. I don't want to go 37 and something goes wrong again,
Yeah.
So
Yeah, let's
this
go,
is
yeah,
what-
36. And I think we'll be, yeah,
We'll figure it out somehow.
yeah, actually, I know you guys changed the, well, they'll probably look better with the,
That one's a little bit bigger than this. This one is without dot. And you wanted the dot, so we added dot, and of course, in the wrong place. Yeah.
just do a 36 on these
What do you mean? Without the dot?
without the darts. Just like you said, you're gonna have to make a whole new pattern for that.
Yeah, but what's the point? I came this far. I
Okay,
can change
yeah.
it again,
I'm
right?
trying to make it easy because it seems like, it's a lot of work.
It is, but what's the point going back?
Okay, let's do
We
it.
came this far,
Yeah, you're right.
So hopefully she does it right this time.
Okay.
She has to. She has to.
Yeah, 'cause I just wasn't expecting it to be this noticeable in the front. That was the thing. I thought it'd be a little bit more hidden. Like here, like on both sides, instead of just strictly on the front.
Well,